So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make an extra $100 extra per month, there's a company called Play Octopus that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. You just have to use our link below. You put the tablet in your car, your passengers can play games, and you as a driver make an extra up to $100 per month. Sign up for Play Octopus with the link down below. It's free to sign up. They're pretty much nationwide now, so use the link, start making an extra $100 a month, and let's get started. So Uber has cut rates for drivers. You want to read this?
Yeah, California voted for cheaper Uber rides. It may have hurt drivers.
Uber, what is this one? California, I think it's Prop 22, Uber. Yeah. You gonna read this?
Yeah. A state and local officials sued Lyft, Uber, DoorDash, and Instacart to get them to stop violating the law. The company spent a whopping $224 million on Prop 22.
So basically Prop 22 was, so there was a bill called AB5 that came out that was supposed to make Uber and Lyft and DoorDash and all these gig apps and Instacart pay their drivers as employees with benefits, paid time off, overtime pay, sick leave, a guaranteed minimum wage. And Uber and Lyft and DoorDash introduced a prop called Prop 22 to keep drivers independent so they don't have to pay them as employees. And instead of just paying drivers more money, they spent over $200 million on ads to advertise people to vote yes on Prop 22. So they spent money to keep driver pay lower. So Uber and Lyft, my friends, do not want to pay you more money. They'd rather spend money to make it so they don't have to pay you more. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Uber also adopted a new cynical marketing slogan. If you tolerate racism, delete Uber. Wait, what?
What did they I've never seen that slogan ever in my life.
If you tolerate racism, delete Uber. Oh. Wait, I kind of want to look into this. This seems kind of interesting. Oh, it was part of the Black Lives Matter thing.
Yeah.
Huh, I did not see that.
Same.
So interesting. They just want racist people to delete Uber.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, so those are the major updates, my friends.